Performance Blue. Alright, so probably wondering why we went back to the steel wheels. We're going to Dallas, so we're gonna get the truck set up for probably like a 3,000 mile road trip. And I figured if I put the steel wheels on, I'll get some better gas mileage. We're gonna track the gas mileage on this thing and see what it can do. So I got a couple more things. Oh, that's windy. I got a couple more things to do to it. I gotta put on like grip tape right here. I gotta do that, and I got floor mats I still gotta put on yet too. So we're gonna do that in this video. I'm gonna break it up in like two different days because scheduling is just crazy right now. But yeah, we're looking good. So steel wheels are back on her. We're going to Dallas, so Dallas, Texas. Hopefully I get my plates before then. If I get my plates before then, that'd be great, but we'll run on a temp tag, whatever. So alrighty, let's get the grip tape on and the door seals there. So we got our tough skin F-150 protection. So we're gonna put these, I don't know what the fuck to call them. Got our F-150 grip tape here. That's gonna go on the inside of the doors. Tough skins. This is right from Ford too, so. But yeah, let's get these put on. Alrighty guys, so now that we got the door protection here, the door rocker protection, we're gonna do floor mats for vinyl floors. So Ford has a kit that they put supplied hardware in for floor mats for these regular cabs. So I have them right here, just a standard Ford tray liner, both sides. So we're gonna put these in to the F-150, get it going. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna take this sill plate off. Set that off to the side. And we're gonna take the side plate off. So now we have access to get underneath the floor. We're gonna put the retainers in there. Alright, so I have the floor mat in there, just set in there. Kind of positioned it to where I think it's gonna sit nicely. I have a paint marker. You can use any kind of marker, but I'm just gonna now I have my marks. All right, so now that we have our marks with the paint pen, we can, little templates we're gonna cut out here in the instructions. So we're gonna cut these out and then we'll lay these down. And then it actually has the cut marks on the templates that you need to use. So as you see, there's grooves. Oh, there's those lines right there, and that's where I'm gonna cut through the vinyl so we can slip our new clip in. Okay, so they actually had theirs going this way, but this way, so that's how I'm gonna do it from the instruction. Yeah, first cut's made. Should be able to take the clip, it's gonna go underneath, and then it's gonna latch into itself over here. That's in there. That's good. I'm gonna do the other side real quick off camera, but it's pretty much the same thing. I'll just have to reach a little further, but yeah, looking good. I mean, that's in there. All right, so got both sides in there. I'm gonna put the paneling back on, and then put the floor mat in. There. Panels are back in. There we go. All set. All right, I'm gonna do the passenger side, and we're gonna move on to something different. All right, the passenger side is done. Note, with this big panel right here, you can just loosen it and you can get underneath that carpet there, but everything's good, looking good. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Alrighty, so got the plates on. Not stoked about them, but it is what it is. It says what I wanted it to. It's supposed to be Road America's. They're not. But whatever. Life as it is. You can do all the planning in the world and something's gonna put a wrench in it. So you just gotta live with it and move forward. But we are looking good. We got the interior all set up, got the stubby antenna over there, all that done. Looking good and protected. So gonna be going down to Dallas, Texas here within a week. This video will be out Sunday, and I'm gonna vlog it. Just gonna vlog it, going to Dallas, Texas. We're gonna watch a Dallas Cowboys game, which is my team. Sorry, Wisconsin peoples. Packers are my second. Don't tell my dad. We're gonna go down there. We're gonna tool around for a weekend, or like 4 days, and just soak up Texas, because right now, I'm gonna show you how cold it is right now in Wisconsin. It was -9 this morning, but I'm gonna show you. It's one of those where it's so cold, it lake effect snows on everything. And it just not that great. So, but yeah, like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned with this, because get some videos lined up Might have to get a little further in the winter season, but I have another project vehicle that no one's, I mean, people know I have it, but like no one's seen it. So I think we're gonna showcase that after we're done in Dallas. So, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day or night, whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.